YouTube has just announced it's testing a brand new artificial intelligence system that can tell whether you're an adult or a minor, not by looking at the date of birth you typed in when creating your account, but by analyzing the way you actually use the platform. Instead of relying on your profile information, this AI will study the kind of videos you watch, the categories you're drawn to, and even your overall viewing patterns. In short, your real behavior will speak louder than whatever age you claim online. For now, this experiment will only run on a small group of YouTube users in the United States. But if it proves successful, YouTube plans to expand it to more users in the future. So it's worth understanding how it works and what it could mean for you. Here's the breakdown. The AI will scan your watch history, the topics you engage with, and how often you interact with certain types of content. This means even if your account says you're 25, the system won't be fooled if your behavior resembles that of a typical under 18 user. If the system flags you as a minor by mistake, you can verify your age by uploading one of several forms of identification, such as a government-issued ID card, passport, credit card, or even a clear selfie for facial confirmation. Now, if you're logged in and the system confirms you're under 18, your account will automatically have some restrictions applied. No personalized ads based on your interests. Fewer recommendations for content that YouTube considers potentially inappropriate. Break reminders after extended viewing. Extra privacy prompts. Full restriction of adult content. If you're not logged in, you can still browse, but certain videos will be blocked until you prove your age. So why is YouTube doing this? In the US, lawmakers have been increasing the pressure on websites to stop minors from accessing harmful or explicit material. For example, the US Supreme Court recently allowed a Texas law to take effect that forces sites to verify age before showing pornographic content. Other states, like Mississippi, have started introducing similar laws. The official reason for these measures is to protect teenagers from harmful content. But according to digital rights groups, there's another side to the story. The possibility of expanded online surveillance and more personal data collection. Groups like the Electronic Frontier Foundation have warned that age verification systems using IDs or selfies could reduce user anonymity, create massive databases of sensitive personal information, and potentially be misused in the future. The takeaway? You need to weigh privacy against access. If you don't want to upload identification, be prepared to lose access to some videos. If a piece of content is truly important to you and you're wrongly restricted, you may have no choice but to go through the verification process. Keep an eye on news updates about this rollout, because YouTube could expand, adjust, or change the rules at any time. This move is an attempt to balance teen safety with legal requirements, but it also brings major privacy concerns. Before you decide how to respond, make sure you understand exactly what's at stake. See you in the next video.